Hello children, this is Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and today we are going to start the another video of Unit 3 starting point. Dear children, in today's class I will discuss from paragraph number 11 to 19. As I have discussed in my previous session in the last two videos that Milkha Singh, who took participation in brigade meet in Hyderabad, where he stood fourth position in the race. He was quite disappointed, but he was not disheartened because he had raced with some star athletics like Sohan Singh or Pritam Singh and many more others. And there he saw that many men who wore vest with India written on them in bold letters, and he also wanted to wear that blazer vest with the name of his country written on them, and he decided that he would make the country proud on him. So today we are going to read the remaining paragraphs of the chapter. So when I returned from Hyderabad, it was back to work as usual. Parades, other military duties and examination consumed my time. Means when he came back from Hyderabad, again he started his days as per the routine. Means every day like parade, other military duties, some examinations, that completely occupied his time. But my desire to succeed as an athletic was as strong as ever. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back to the barracks and hide the plate of food under my bed. Means after his desire to succeed as an athletic was becoming stronger and stronger than before, and after a day of hard work, means after these all completing all his duties, he would carry a dinner back to the backyard. Backyard means it's a group of a building in which soldiers live. It's a small house, you can say, and hide the plate of food under his bed. While my colleagues relaxed in the evening, I would be at the ground practicing. So this is called determination something. I still did not know the technique needed to run a 400-meter race, but I followed a rule of thumb. Rule of thumb, it's a theorem in physics. You will come to know more about it in standard 9. But here it's just for a simple explanation, I can say a practical way which is based on the experience. Through it may be technical correction, there must be some technical correction. So he was not very much aware of the techniques that is needed to run 400-meter race. So I would run one round at the highest speed possible, rest for a while, and then run another one. Means he take rest, then he run again, take rest. So like that he continued practice. I would complete 5 or 6 rounds and then return to my room to take a bath and have dinner. This was my routine for many months, a secret activity that no one was aware of. So this he practices every day like that. Means he given his whole day, because half of his day consumed by all the activities and all the military and duties and examination and all, but the remaining where the other soldiers, where the other friends of him were relaxing in their bedroom, they were their his colleagues who were relaxing in the evening, but he was in the ground practicing more and more, because he did not know what is the technique to run in 400-meter race. So this became his routine for many years, and it was quite secret activity that no one was aware of. One night I was doing my regular practice round when Brigadier S.P. Vohra spotted me. Means he found out, one of the senior whose name was S.P. Vohra. He was on his after dinner walk. "Why are you on the ground at this hour?" he asked sharply. Means he asked why you, means Milkha Singh was on the ground at that time. This is the time to do rest. This is the time to have some sleep. Then why he is practicing on ground. Sir, I said, clicking my heels, snapping to attention. Means it's a kind of a gesture generally soldiers do. They click their heels and snaps to attention. I tried to do a smart salute, though I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. Sir, I panted. I am practicing for the 400-meter race. So now here Milkha Singh was quite become anxious. He was got scared that what brigadier will say. So he was trembling in his voice that sir, I am practicing for 400-meter race. Practicing? Why are you practicing at this hour? He asked, sounded a little astonished. Means he was surprised that why you are practicing at this hour. This is the time to sleep. This is the time to take rest. This is the time for your relaxation of your body after the dinner. Then why you are practicing here? So the brigadier was quite surprised. Because I do not have time to practice during the day, sir. So here he was quite surprised that that why you are practicing at this time. When the brigadier asked, then he says that he haven't get enough time to practice during the day because he is occupied with many activities. So that's why he is practicing. Replied very quietly that he doesn't have time to practice during the day. That's why he is practicing at this hour. So brigadier stared at him, then nodded and walked away briskly. I felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. Means he was left. He is not going to be punishable of this act. This meeting led to a series of actions that I had never anticipated. Means I had never expected. The next day, the commander of my company told me that I did not have to go to do fatigue duty anymore. Means when he was thinking that brigadier is going to punish him, but when he just went from there very quietly, so Milkha Singh was quite relieved. He was relaxed that okay, fine, that he had been just let off him easily. And next day, after the meeting, many more series of actions happened which he had never expected. The commander of his regiment told him that he did not have to do any more duties like cooking or cleaning. This gave me more time to practice. I was given better facilities, a nutritious diet, and special attention was paid to my grooming, means on his training session. This incident opened up a whole new world for me, one that offered innumerable opportunities. So this was the three incident that occurred. First was when when he stood sixth in the race and he was offered a glass of milk and he was excused from all the fatigue duties. The second incident, as we have discussed in paragraph number 11, in paragraph number 10 and 11, that he stood fourth in the race where he ran with many athletics and many star athletic, and he became the center of attraction. He became the center eye for everybody of all the spectators. And the third incident, the fortunate incident that Milkha Singh discussed in his autobiography, The Race of My Life, that how his hard working helped him to change the way or to change the rules for him, and he was just excused from all the fatigue duties. He was given better facilities, nutritious diet, very special attention for his grooming session. So this was all three incidents that changed his life in 1953. So there are many much more incidents. There are many much more inspirational actions that happen in Milkha Singh lives, which also help us as a student, as a sports person, as a learner, to motivate ourselves. Thank you for watching. I will continue this part of video in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.